Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I just want to show a short video clip posted by Tesla Owners Club, and basically in this video it shows that Tesla trying to avoid running over a pedestrian and collided with another vehicle. However, as of right now, Tesla is under investigation due to FSD and all the stuff by the government, right? The national safety highway and all this stuff. So I just want to share this with you guys. All right, so take a look and judge for yourself. So again, so we all see it that ourselves, right? So Tesla does save lives. Okay, so again, so of course nothing is perfect, but as you can see, Tesla did save the pedestrian's life. Thank you for watching.